Hello Whovians and welcome back to the main channel. Now today, this is a sort of different type of video due to the fact that, due to the fact that this has not come from an official source as in the BBC, but it has come from I don't know what it is really. I know it's Entertainment Weekly, which is what Shooty Cat was the cover of this week. But what happened was that they had done something really incredible. Well, I say incredible, I do mean like amazing. It's like this visual cover that they've released online of Shooty Cat with the sonic screwdriver and with a massive clock. Now the massive clock, the costume are irrelevant. It's the Sonic. It's because it shows what noises the Sonic makes. It helps explain more about this sonic screwdriver. So, what you're about to see now is that exact clip. In 3, 2, 1, go! Wow. Wow, indeed, yes. So, from that, we can gather a wide selection of things. These wide selection of things are as follows. You've got your... Let me think. Try to think of that. Well, it means that you've got a wide selection of things, right? So, they include... The Sonic makes, obviously, your traditional sounds. Let me get 14 Doctors so we can compare the sounds. So you get this, not that. No. Okay. Let's pretend this is right then. So ignore the first bit. That noise. So that is there. Because that is even though this Sonic looks more like a TV remote, a Sky remote, and I'm excited for the toy for that. I overall think that Shooty Sonic in this shows that it has, it looks like you press it like that, because it's like, right, here's a good example. So this is a lens cap from this camera, so this is, it's like a that. And it's interesting when you hear it as well as when you see it. Now the cover itself is a very good cover, right? It's a very nice cover. And apparently that costume that he's wearing there is one of the outfits he'll be wearing in Series 2. But overall, I quite like the sound of the Sonic, I like the look of the Sonic, and I like how natural Shooty feels with it. With this, right, you do with that. She's a lot more flatter, right? It's like flatter. So it shows that when he presses the noises, when he utilises them, they work really rather and quite well. It's like not a miracle, it's just more of a exciting step forward in the world of sonic screwdrivers. So there you have it. That was my short video all about the fact that Shooty Cat was on the cover of Entertainment Weekly, but there was a video to it. I showed you the video, and the Sonic sound we learned more about that Sonic, and I feel like we need to learn even more about the Sonic, and over the next 2 years or so, because apparently it's confirmed for 3 years, then we'll learn more about the Doctor and his Sonic. So, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Down to that. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe to the official Tom Mason YouTube channel.